Respected sir and my dear friends, good afternoon to all of you. My name is NIBHA Kumari. I am going to deliver my daily routine. Listen me and enjoy. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. Then I got fresh. At 7 o'clock I went to morning walk. I did exercise half an hour. I took a bath at 8 o'clock. I took my breakfast. I got ready at 9 o'clock. I went to school. I returned back at 5 o'clock in the evening. Then I washed face and hand. Then 6 to 7 o'clock I went to my friends. Then I studied 2 hours. I took dinner at 9 o'clock. I watched for TV 1 hour. I went for bed at 10 o'clock. This was my daily routine. Thank you.